Good evening, YouTubers. Welcome back again to Shop Talk with Brett. Well, there's the Power 360. I actually took that bottom off of that tonight and give the inside a good wipe down. I was going to oil the motor. Then I looked at the motor. Guess what? You can't, because that has a ball bearing motor. And it is a PSC motor. I thought it was, and I got to actually see the motor. Motor's about the size of a soup can, can of Campbell's soup. And it's not a shaded pole, it is a PSC. The capacitors and stuff for that are in where that electronics are for the switch. That's all electronic. But anyway, it was a little bit dusty. It wasn't real bad, but I did wipe everything out real good and come pretty clean. And I actually gave that metal a nice little coat of Lucas Slick Mist. But anyway, this is where it's going to be. So guess what? Let's power it up. Starts out, as I said in my video last night, you cannot start, it doesn't remember where you had it last. So it starts out on full power. And then you can toggle it down to medium and then low. I guess maybe that's a good thing. That way you're starting it off fast. But anyway, here we go. High speed. Very quick startup. And the blade is metal on this, by the way. It's galvanized, it looks like. And it's a 3-rivet blade, 3 blades. And it's probably about maybe a 12 or 14 inch blade. I couldn't really measure it, but that's kind of what I'm guesstimating at. That's full power, and I can feel that against my legs. There's medium. And if you see something flashing in the top of that, that's the TV, 65 inch TCL. There's low speed right there. I muted the TV and turned off the other fan in here so you could hear that better. Okay, going back to full power. And while I'm at it, there's Roxie. Meow, what are you doing? Meow. Hi, girl. What are you doing, Roxie? You want to talk? Say hi to the YouTubers, Roxie. Meow. Yeah. Okay, now we'll go over here and we'll turn on the Good Housekeeping fan again. Full power. And we'll go over here. I didn't turn these off, but what I've done here, and this actually helps the efficiency of the air conditioner, I've got the Aloha Breeze set up. It's picking up the cold air off of that portable air conditioner there. It's a 14,000 BTU dual hose. Winter is the brand name. It's picking up the cold air from that, and it's swinging it around back and forth, and it does a pretty good job. This fan's on low, and it's making it very good in here. The little mainstays back at the computer, I do not have that on. I only turn that on when I'm at the computer. But anyway, that's what we kind of got going down here. We've got a pretty humid night, and it's pretty hot, and this is keeping excuse me, this is keeping it quite comfortable. So anyway, meow. See, Roxie wants to talk to you guys. Meow. 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 The new shop cat. Anyway, hope you guys have a good night. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to comment, please keep the comments respectful. This is a family channel, so no trolling. Most importantly, folks, Excuse me, if Jordan can do it, everybody got to do it. Lamont does it, I'm going to do it. Anyway, guys, most importantly, God first, people second. Remember, put your trust in the Lord. And speaking of God, went to church this morning over there at Riverview Baptist Chapel in Wellsburg, West Virginia. Very, very beautiful service this morning, and I enjoyed it. So you guys have a good evening. Shop Talk with Brett, signing out.